Delta 348, what's up for runway E?
American 2601, right turn Bravo 9, right turn westbound on Bravo.
Right turn Bravo 9, westbound on Bravo, American 2601.
Delta 348, next start number 2, runway 8, clear to land.
Delta 348, clear to land, runway 8.
American 2601, left to Charlie 6, left on Charlie into the center hold bay, monitor ground.
Left Charlie 6, left into the center hold bay, and for American 2601.
Wind 1204.
Good morning, I have 1477, visual runway 8.
United 1477, next start number 2, runway 8, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 8, United 1477.
Envoy 4033, right turn Bravo 8, eastbound on Bravo, contact ground.
Right turn Bravo 8, east on Bravo Envoy, over ground Envoy 4033.
That's 348, turn right Bravo 9, George Sierra for the south route, American will give way.
Bravo 9, Sierra, south route, American will give way, Delta 348.